Here's an update on the ONSON Robot Vacuum Cleaner, the 2-in-1 mop combo for pet hair hard floor. Since I bought it like 9 months ago. So I still have it, it's still working, and showing you quickly how to charge it without using the remote. So you just have to click that button for charging on the vacuum, and make sure your charger is of course plugged in. And then the advisable location for your charger should be at the, it should be on the against the wall, so it doesn't move, and so it charges like steady. So I'm gonna move that I'm supposed to be charging that at the wall, but without the remote, of course you can still operate it, you can turn it on. So I turned it on using that power button there, and I've speed up the video so you can see. But basically, this is the general function. I have it just turn it on, no zigzagging or no no direction. It's just doing it right now using all the directions that it can do. So if you hear it now, it's a bit loud. So that's the only thing, it's loud, but it does work very well. It's reliable without dust. You might want to pick up the big pieces though. So this one right now is running without the mop, so this is just vacuuming. It's supposed to run 120 minutes working time. So of course I'm not gonna do that, but I'm just showing you it's been charged, and the charge actually doesn't go off. You know how like when you just let it be and then it's like using up the battery even if it's not on. So this one I've had it on and then it turns off at a certain period, so it saves the battery life. So right now that's its usual direction that it goes to. It doesn't just go to one area once, so it will keep going back and forth to your location. So right now I'm actually cleaning a whole lot of like it's much bigger space, so you will see that the vacuum is like going back and forth, but it will go back, so it's not gonna miss anything. So I'm just slowing it down right now so you can see how it works. You can with the remote you can do a zigzag cleaning mode, and it does have, you can use Alexa and Google Assistant on it because it supports Alexa and Google Assistant. You can connect it to Wi-Fi and do voice control. You can set up to spot cleaning for if there are areas that you just like, if there are areas that you want to just do a spot cleaning for, either by mop or just vacuuming, you can set it up. There's an anti-drop sensor, so you can make sure that you don't break this right away. It does have a map, it has a mop and combo, it has an infrared sensor to avoid collision. So if you see that, right now I'm gonna lift it up and put it in a smaller space so you can see it better, because it looks like it's going into different places, but basically it will clean up a whole lot of space if you leave it, because it's gonna stay in for 120 minutes. And if you see that, I intentionally put that carpet in, so you will see how it works with the carpet. And again, so I'm trying to charge it again, showing you, make sure the wire is not on its way, and then here's the correct way to charge it. Make sure it's against the wall, so it goes, so it does slow down. So that's how to charge it. It just slow down and goes back to the charge.